Critical path method. In this chapter, we will learn how to draw arrow diagram and how to find project duration with some tough examples. So friends, welcome to my channel Study Ki Leher. My name is Seema Gupta. Now I will describe you this problem with the help of this video. So we have this problem. These are our activities and these are our duration in weeks. So now we will make our arrow diagram. We will start with this activity, with this first activity 1, 2, 2. So we will draw here our first node. This is our starting node and the activity is 1 to 2. Student, for any activity, this node is always called starting node and this node is always called ending node. Starting node is always tail event and ending node is always head event. So our second activity is 1, 2, 3. So we will draw like this 1, 2, 3. For third activity 2 to 4 and 3 to 4. We will draw the lines like this. 2 to 4 and 3 to 4. Then 3 to 5. 3 to 5. After then 4 to 9. 4 to 9. This activity. Then 5 to 6. So we can draw like this 5 to 6. Then 5 to 7. 5 to 7. After then 6 to 8. 6 to 8. Then 7 to 8. 7 to 8. Then 8 to 9. 8 to 9. Then 8 to 10. As we can say like this 8 to 10, 9 to 10, 9 to 10. So student, this is our arrow diagram. Now we will write here our duration like this. For this first activity duration is 4 weeks. So we will write here 4. Then 1 to 3 duration is 1 week. Then we will write here 2 to 4. 2 to 4. This activity our duration is 1 week. For 3 to 4, our duration is also 1 week. For 3 to 5, as you can see, duration is 6 weeks. For 4 to 9, duration is 5 weeks. For 5 to 6, duration is 4 weeks. For 5 to 7, duration is 8 weeks. For 6 to 8, duration is 1 week. For 7 to 8, duration is 2 weeks. For 8 to 9, duration is 1 week. For 8 to 10, as you can check here, duration is 8 weeks. For 9 to 10, duration is 7 weeks. So this is our arrow diagram and we have also write here our durations. Now we have to find our critical path. For this, we will find earliest start time for every node is called EST. And latest finish time, as we can say, L. So now we will calculate E and L for all nodes. First of all, we will calculate E and L for this node. So we can write as, first of all we will calculate E for this node, this starting node. E always 0 for starting node. So we will write here 0. Then we will calculate E for this node. Here we can say 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. E will be 4. Now we will calculate E for this node. As you can say 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So here E is equal to 1. Now we will calculate E for this node. You can see student, here we have two activities 2 to 4 and 3 to 4. So we will select maximum E from these two activities. As we can say 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So here we will write 5. E is equal to 5. Now we will calculate E for this node, for this activity 3 to 5. Here we can say 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So here E is equal to 7. Now we will calculate E for this node. As you can say here 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So E is equal to 11 for this node. Now we will calculate E for this node 5 to 7, this activity. Here we can say 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So E is equal to 15. Now we will calculate E for this node. As you can say here we have two activities 6 to 8 and 7 to 8. So we will select here maximum. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So here we will write 17. Now we will calculate E for this node. 4 to 9. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. But here we have two activities. This activity and this activity. So 17 plus 1 is equal to 18 for this node. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 for this node. So we will select here 18. So we can say E is equal to 18 here. Now we will calculate E for this node. Here we have also two activities 9 to 10 and 8 to 10. So we will select maximum. 18 plus 7 is equal to 25. 17 plus 8 is equal to 25. So we will write here 25. So you can see we have calculated our earliest start time for all nodes. Now we will calculate latest finish time for all nodes. First of all, we will calculate L for this ending node. In this diagram, E and L are equal for the ending node. So we will write here 25. We have L is equal to 25 for this node. Now we will calculate L for this node. 25 minus 7 is equal to 18. Now we will calculate L for this activity, this node. So 25 minus 8 is equal to 17. Here we can write 17. After then we will calculate L for this node. So we can say 17 minus 1 is equal to 16. Then we will calculate L for this node. 17 minus 2 is equal to 15. Then we will calculate L for this node. Here we have two activities 5 to 6 and 5 to 7. So we will write here minimum of these two activities. 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So 7 is the minimum. So we will write here minimum. Now this activity. We will write here L value. But here we have two activities, this activity and this activity. So first of all we will calculate L for this node. So 18 minus 5 is equal to 13. Now we will calculate L for this node. So 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So we will write here 1 because 1 is the minimum. Now we will calculate L for this node. 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. So here we have two activities 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 but 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So we will write here 0 because 0 is the minimum. So you can see student we have calculated our all E values and our all L values. So now we will calculate our critical path. For the calculation of critical path, first of all we have to select critical activities. In the critical activities, E and L value are always same. So this activity is the critical activity because E and L value are same for this node and also for this node. Now this is the critical activity because here also E and L value are same and here also same. Now this activity is critical activity because E and L value are same. Now this activity, after then this activity. So 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 8 and 8 to 10. Now we will calculate our project duration. For 1 to 3 duration is 1 plus for 3 to 5 activity duration is 6 plus 5 to 7 duration is 8 plus 7 to 8 duration is 2 plus 8 to 10 duration is 8. So we can say 1 plus 6 is equal to 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 plus 2 is equal to 17 plus 8 is equal to 25 weeks. So our project duration is 25 weeks. So I hope you have understood this practical very well, and if you like this video then please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of all my coming videos. Thank you for watching this video.